Occasionally we'll get a customer that asks me, hey, can I pick up the greenhouse at your manufacturing plant? For the most part, we would say no. There's a lot that goes into hauling these greenhouses. You need a DOT number. You need to be registered with the Department of Transportation. When you get it home, you got to unload it. You got to move it. How are you going to move it around? How are you going to set it in place? We have all the equipment for that. If you wanted to do that, you would have to have a trailer that tilts, that allows us to easily load it onto your trailer, and we have to be paid in full at the time you want to do that. Our pricing that you see on our website, or you see in a brochure, or maybe you've talked to a dealer, it includes free delivery up to 250 miles. So that price is already included. All of those prices are based from the starting point of Mansfield, Arkansas. Google where you're at to where Mansfield, Arkansas is, and that's going to give you a total mileage. And if you're within that 250 miles, it's free. If it's over that, then it's $3 a mile for 8 wide and $3.50 a mile for 12 wide. Our drivers are professional. They do it all day, every day. This is what they do. We already offer you free delivery up to the 250 miles. I'd highly recommend not trying to do it on your own. It's already included.